Hey everybody, Cindy the Scrapologist. Happy Saturday. I love Saturdays. My phone doesn't ring and I don't have work calls coming in and it's just so nice. I'm very enjoying my day very much today and I hope you are too. I made this morning for a journal that I'm doing. I wanted kind of a vintage eye chart and I found this in the public domain and it is so cool. I thought I would offer it in my shop for you. This is a vintage eye chart from about 1907 as far as anybody could tell. And the thing that's so cool about it is that it's in several different languages. There's Roman, there's Japanese, there's Chinese, there's Russian, and then there's Hebrew. And in the middle is the eye chart for children and people who were, there was a lot of illiteracy back in 1907, people who were illiterate. And then the story behind this is that it was often used for people who were working on railroads and steamboats, and they had to know their colors. And so this color chart down here was to test them, so especially so they would know that to ensure that they weren't colorblind and can see red and green. Definitely a safety issue there. So this is available now in my shop. It prints out 8.5 by 11. It's in the public domain. You can do with it whatever you want. Put it in your journals. Any journals that you're going to sell, that's fine. It's going to look really, really cool in my journal. And it's also really neat to kind of tear these strips out and collage with them too. I'm going to print off a bunch of these today and use them. So that is just a buck. It's in my shop. I hope that you enjoy it. Keep your eyes peeled for one of my upcoming videos. My mother made some awesome, beautiful coolness. I just love her work. She loves doing tiny, tiny things. The glare is not going to be good here, but these are bookmarks. And let's see if I can. There we go. They're bookmarks in acetate. There are little hand fussy cut and handmade items sewn into the acetate. I don't know if you can see the sewing there. And then each one has a ribbon with something really adorable on it. A lot of them have little tiny mini books that she made on the bottom. And I'm going to be putting these in my shop hopefully sometime today. They're going to come in stacks of 5 and I'll do a whole video on that. So that's about it for today. I'm going to go off and craft. I hope you do too. Have a great Saturday. Bye.